Introducing the 150 amp, high current DW3 Series connector. The DW3 Series is compatible with rack and panel mounting and features a slim design which allows to store the battery module in a 19-inch rack. The advantages of the rack and panel type DW3 are as shown. Please let us introduce you the detailed specifications. The features of the connector will be explained taking a large-scale storage battery system as an implementation example. Both the plug and receptacle incorporate two power contacts in the base insulator and equip an inner housing with a capacity for 12 signal contacts on each right and left sides. The receptacle connector is connected using a bus bar. Reliable alignment is enabled by the large mating guides. By the usage of two types of contacts, 3-step first mate last break mating of the signals are made possible. Complete and reliable mating is possible by the function of the shoulder bolt that absorbs misalignment of 2.5 mm in both the x-axis and y-axis directions. The battery module is applied so electrification may occur. The DW3 Series is designed to prevent accidental touching of the contacts carrying the high current. First, mount the plug connector to the back panel, and second, confirm if the attachment of the bus bar is done, and next attach the electrical prevention cover and then insert the inner housing for the signals. Last, slide in the battery module from the front and the assembly is complete. In addition to the DW3 series, we also have a lineup of DW1 series and DW2 series as our rack and panel method high current connectors. Also, cable type connectors are available, so please contact us for details.